Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes from the Bitcoinist and what is fueling the dramatic rise in Bitcoin's hash rate. That's right. Who cares about the price right now? What is causing the hash rate to go up? Well, in this article, we're going to see what Arcane Research has to say about it. So, never mind the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin's hash rate keeps growing and growing. What does the phenomenon mean and why is it happening? Do miners know something we don't? Or is something else going on behind the scenes? Those are the questions of the day in Bitcoin and crypto circles. Our friends at Arcane Research recently took a crack at them in their weekly update report, and we're here to analyze the case. Arcane Research presented another all-time high for Bitcoin hash rate last week, touching a 7-day average of 267 exahashes per second, the largest difficult adjustment since May 2021. Did not scare miners with more machines coming online. After the adjustment, the Bitcoin network resumed the rate of 6 blocks per hour, showing the power of these difficulty adjustments. New machines came online, the system reacted, the hash rate adjusted, the fees went up, and Bitcoin is back to normal, although we enhanced security, a beautiful ecosystem that works effortlessly regardless of what is happening around it. Now, about the fees, the weekly update explains how they relate to hash rate. As a result of fewer produced blocks, the competition for getting transactions included has increased again, resulting in more fees generated for miners, up more than 25% over the past week. Now, okay, we established what happened. The question now is, why did it happen? The possible causes for the rise in the hash rate. Now, there are several theories floating around. Arcane Research has a rather conservative perspective on the matter, which is probably a safe position to take. Information is scarce, and there's an eerie air around the whole situation. According to the weekly update, the Bitcoin hash rate is forming a 2022 top at these highs. Arcane Research recently published a report on the Bitcoin hash rate, in which they conclude the hash rate growth is likely caused by American miners returning to full production after the summer of a periodically curtailing operations as part of their participation in demand response programs. Some factors indicate that the hash rate will keep growing toward the end of the year. The public miners are expanding like never before, planning to plug in tens of thousands of mining machines by year's end. In a recent News BTC article, our sister site featured a Glassnode report that theorizes a new dynamic as more of the hash power is held by capitalized publicly traded mining companies. According to their analysis, enormous Bitcoin miners came to take everything over and eat everyone's lunch. The recent hash rate rise is just a symptom of that. According to Glassnode, since Bitcoin's price is still flatlining, the hash rate rise is due to more efficient mining hardware coming online, or miners with superior balance sheets having a larger share of the hash power network. That's the base of Glassnode's takeover theory. On the other hand, as price stays flat but difficulty rises, miners' profitability is trending down and approaching dangerous levels. The miners don't seem to be either blinking or turning machines off. Full speed ahead seems to be the order of businesses. Or is there another hidden factor wreaking havoc behind the scenes? Is there a secret force behind the great Bitcoin hash rate rise of 2022? Could this be a rage against the machines? Rumors about new and extremely powerful Bitmain ASIC abound. Depends on who you ask. Bitmain themselves deployed it, or they sent the machines to a powerful publicly traded mining company for them to test. In any case, the results is the against all logic extreme rise in Bitcoin hash rate. Now, these are just a few rumors. However, the company has not uttered a word about any new machine, and there are no document leaks of any kind. So that's just a rumor on a new, more powerful Bitcoin ASIC miner. But there's against all logic extreme rise in Bitcoin hash rate though. So again, that's what's going on right now. Prices for Bitcoin still just hovering the $19,000 range, but their hash rate is going up continually. So yeah, what do you think is causing the rise, guys? Let me know in your comments down below. Also, while you're down there, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.